Hello, everyone. Today we are virtually meeting with Alan Hallman at MC Machinery. We are very excited today to talk about their technology summit coming up here soon. This is an awesome event. Our customers really enjoy it when they go. Our team really enjoys it. So, Alan, thanks so much for taking the time today. I'm excited to talk about this event. Why don't you introduce yourself and then kind of give us a general overview of what the technology summit's about?
Sure thing. And thank you very much, Shay, for doing this for us. We really appreciate it. Of course, coming up on October 9th, Thursday, October 9th, we're having our technology summit. It's really for our customers. It's about showcasing all the technologies that we have, but also helping them implement them in today's market and doing a great job at it. So we start the event the day before. We're going to have our casino evening where we go ahead and we have everybody come in and have a great time at that. And then the next day, we all head over to our showroom and do a great job there of showcasing all of our equipment and have some very exciting seminars to help everybody leave there with some newfound wisdom that might help them in their manufacturing. So.
Absolutely. And you guys do it all right. You handle the transportation, right? You handle the customers getting to and from the facility, all the meals, everything. That's right?
It's pretty much taken care of, or even help them with their airfare, get on the plane, get there. We have Uber credits to give them rides to our hotel. The hotel's taken care of. The meals are taken care of, transportation back and forth, and then Uber credits back to the airport. So it's a pretty thought out process that we've used time again, and people seem to like it, and it helps them make the journey easier. So we hope
Sure.
they appreciate that.
Oh, yeah, I know that they do. I know our customers do, and it's just such a great way to do it. Take care of the customers, let them come in. Then it doesn't have to be a burden on their shop, especially if in times where money might be tight, they can still come and learn something, and that's what it's all about. And I know your guys' facility is absolutely incredible. I have not had the chance to see it myself in person, but I have heard nothing but that it's a metropolis, are the words that I have been told.
No, it's pretty amazing. It's almost 200,000 square foot. It was an award-winning building that was put up in 2017. We moved in, and it's been a real showcase for our top applications people, our showroom. All of our technologies are right there, and it really shows well, and it's at a great location. It's only about 15 minutes down the road from O'Hare
Oh,
in
it's easy.
Chicago, so it makes it pretty easy for everybody.
That's fantastic. Well, let's get into a little bit more about the event. So you guys are going to have lots of demos going on. Are you able to kind of run through maybe some of the machines that are going to be there and any of the demos that you guys are showing during the event?
Sure, all the machines will be set up doing some kind of a demonstration across a bunch of different industries, but we really do focus on our primary technologies. We're about high accuracy. The things that we do are very close tolerance work, and we try to do it in an environment that's automated, unmanned. We come up with a lot of really creative solutions like that. So our wire EDM technologies, I think there's like five machines in that arena that'll all be set up. Some will be automated. Our Sinker EDM applications will all be set up across a number of pieces of equipment, 4 or 5. And then we also have all of our high precision milling, high speed milling, hard milling, all set up with automation and things like that. So it'll be a good showcase and a general review. And on top of that, there's about 20 vendors that are there, all of our sub-suppliers that work with us on consumables and other peripherals that go on machine tools, rotaries, all that kind of stuff. They're all going to be there showcasing their wares and discussing what they have new. And so it makes it a mini show event that really showcases on high precision and automation and things like that. So
That's fantastic. And so outside of the technology, obviously you it's going to be technology packed in there. On the educational side, I know you guys are doing seminars. Do you want to talk a little bit about each one of the seminars, how you guys went about picking them, why you choose the certain seminars that you do?
no, absolutely. So the seminars really come from our customers because the bottom line is when we go out and make all these sales calls and listen to our customers, they have real needs. They have needs on finding people. Sometimes I've heard stories of people finding a great new machinist or a new tool maker or a new programmer for their machine shop or their factory, and they're just so excited. It's like they just won a new car or something because it's so hard to find good people.
Yeah.
That's a keynote address this year by a fellow named Chris Czarnik. He's a award-winning author and speaker on this very subject with a lot of really unique perspectives on finding and keeping people, and his whole seminar is Winning the War on Talent. And that helps a lot of our customers. I think if you wanted to ask all of our sales teams and all of our customers, that comes up in almost every sales meeting. So we made that a priority. The second is, since they can't always get all the people they want, how do they automate? How do they run on man? So most of our other seminars have something to do with that. Our automation seminars that we'll be doing, we'll talk about that, unmanned manufacturing and the wire and sinker EDM, and then 5-axis manufacturing to once and done machining, get 5 sides finished at one time. All of this technology and the strategies we're talking about is to try to help be more effective and efficient in today's market with maybe a shrinking pool of very high-end people. So that's kind of the goal we decided to focus on this year. And that all came from our customers, every one of it. So
I mean, you guys are really putting on an event that's tailored to what your customers need. And I think sometimes there's so many different open houses and shows and things to go to, but when you have an event that you guys have really listened to your customers, you hear they're struggling with talent, you hear they're needing to automate, and not only do they need these things, but they need to be educated on them. And so this is just the perfect way to put it all together, bundle it in a day, and get the customers out there. I think the keynote on Chris is going to be awesome. What a good idea. I'm sure a lot of managers, operations people, owners are going to want to hear what he has to say if that's kind of his area of expertise.
No, I would recommend it. He has his own website, chrisczarnik.com, but I downloaded his book on my audio and I listened to it twice, and it's only a 2-hour read, 2-hour listen. And it really was a fantastic eye-opener. It puts a lot of things into perspective for now, 2025, things that we've changed on our outlook of hiring, and even certain little techniques and things you can do to keep people happy that you might not have went through those kind of thinking, 10 years ago or even later. So it's a great experience. I think it'll help a lot of people that are very focused on human resource management, trying to find good people. It's important. So
certainly is, and I think that's an awesome step. I'm gonna have to find that book and read it, actually.
Yeah, Winning the War on Talent.
Winning the War on Talent. Awesome.
Everybody that goes to the seminar gets a free book.
Oh, that's even better. That is awesome. That's
That's
fantastic.
good. Yeah.
Well, kind of as we wrap up here, I know a lot of these events as well. Just you're bringing in so many different shops, so many different types of people into the building, and networking is a huge thing. I know it's something that you guys push, networking amongst your customers. I'm sure you guys are expecting those opportunities to arise.
No, absolutely. So there's old sayings in our business, success breeds success, and people want to be around people that are having success with our equipment or any equipment, but they want to know these techniques. They want to see some of the cutting edge technologies that are out there. So doing it all together, getting a chance to share their experiences, it is really, truly a good experience no matter what show you are, but we think we bring a special flair to what we do. So
I would say so. You guys need a trademark, like a MC Machinery flair or something. We need a little something.
There you go. You're a marketing king, man. Queen, I should call you. You're great at it. I love listening to you. So good job.
Yeah, absolutely. No, you guys do wonderful. Well, Alan, thanks so much, for being with us. Do you have any kind of last wrap up things you'd like to say about the event? I know registration's really important. Do you guys have any deadlines or anything like that?
Yeah, so just to take advantage of all the hotels we've got hold for us and get all the airfares done, we're really trying to wrap up by the middle of September to get everybody registered. You can go to mcmachinery.com. Your salespeople locally will give you links, and when you go on there, you set up all your data, what days you want to arrive and everything like that, and we'll do your airfare for you. We'll do your hotel for you, and we'll make sure you're well taken care of. So mcmachinery.com would be the first place to go. But if you have any questions, please talk to, in your neighborhood, Kratz and Saunders. So
yes. And we'll be sure to leave a link to the registration code in the description. So please follow that. And follow if you have any questions. Alan, thanks so much for being with us. And we'll see you all at MC Machinery's Technology Summit in 2025.
Thank you very much, Shane.
Thank you.